Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix a Samsung Ecobubble washing machine if it is displaying the error code 3C, 3C1, 3C2, 3C3 or 3C4. Now, if your washing machine is displaying one of these error codes, it means that there is a problem with the washing machine motor. You may have also noticed other symptoms occurring, such as the drum not spinning or spinning in a jolting manner. Now, if you've noticed these symptoms or one of those error codes is displayed, you may have to replace the motor itself. To carry out this replacement, you'll need a few tools at hand. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and of course you'll need your new motor. And we'll show you how to get the correct motor for your particular machine later in this video. Safety first. Always turn off and unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. Next, we need to remove this back panel by undoing the 6 Phillips head screws. Once you've removed all the screws, put the panel and the screws to one side. With the back panel removed, here we can see the motor. Now, the error code may have been caused by the electrical connections to the motor becoming loose, so just check those. It's also a good idea to unplug the electrical connections and then refit them and test the appliance then. If you find that the error code is still showing after you've taken the electrical connections out and reconnected them, then it means that the motor needs to be replaced. Of course, if the error code has disappeared and your machine is now running fine, replace the back panel and replace the washing machine back to its location. To remove the motor, first disconnect the electrical connections, and then you need to remove the belt from off the spindle here. To do that, simply turn it and pull it towards you until it comes off. Like so. Then you need to use your 10mm socket to undo these 2 bolts here. With the bolts removed, you can then pull the motor off the lugs and take out of the machine. You might have to lift the drum up ever so slightly to be able to do that. Now it's time to fit the replacement motor. When buying a brand new motor for your washing machine, it's important that you know your machine's model number to make sure you're getting the correct part for your appliance. Check out our video here, how to find the model number on a washing machine to make sure you are buying the correct one. To successfully fit your replacement motor, you have to line up the 4 motor mounts to the supports on the drum, 2 at the back and 2 at the front. With the motor firmly in place, you can now refit the 2 bolts. To refit your belt, put it over about 1/3 of the pulley on the left-hand side, making sure it goes around the spindle at the bottom, and then turn gently around the pulley to get it nice and tight. Do be very careful not to put your hands behind the pulley, as they could become trapped and do yourself some damage. Just take it nice and slowly to refit the belt. Once it's in place, simply keep turning it and pushing it back onto the spindle to make sure it's fitted properly. With the belt securely in position, fit the electrical connection and then replace the rear panel. And then fit the 6 screws. So there you have it, how to fix your Samsung Ecobubble washing machine if it's displaying the error codes 3C, 3C1, 3C2, 3C3 or 3C4. And remember, repairing your appliance when it is faulty isn't the only way to get the most out of it. Check out our video here on energy saving tips for your washing machine to knock down your energy bills, save money and maximize the potential of your machines. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more maintenance advice, repair guides and all other things eSpares. Thanks for watching.